I'm black every day, but this month right here, I'm blackity black, black, black. You feel me? Blackity black, black, black.
Black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm blacker than black, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm black.
What up, my nines? It's DJ Nana Truth here, back with another video. Yes, the lion is back.
Lion.
I'm back with another video. Today, nines, I'm back with another My Top 9 list. Before we get into the video, happy Black History Month, happy Black History Month, happy Black History Month. Black Lives Matter. Once again, nines, nothing but black videos on this channel this month, you feel me? Celebrating Black History all month on this channel, you feel me? Nothing but blackity black. Once again, I keep saying it, blackity black. If you're asking me to do anything else, it's not happening this month. It's not happening. Black, I'm black, you feel me? That's what you're gonna see, blackness. So, today's top 9 is gonna be Black Inventors You Should Know, part 1. Gonna be dropping 9 amazing black inventors on you, just in case you didn't know them and you need to know them. Gonna drop some knowledge on you real quick to let you know some amazing black inventors, you feel me? The list doesn't matter per se. All of these inventors that is on this list are amazing. They contributed amazing inventions, so everyone is amazing. I'm just dropping this knowledge and this history on y'all, celebrating black history, you feel me? So if you haven't seen any of my other top 9 lists, I'm gonna start from the bottom to the top. Once again, the list doesn't matter, number 1 doesn't matter, just starting from the bottom to the top like I do with any of my other top 9 videos. If you haven't seen them, check them out. Playlist is gonna pop up here. Go ahead and check them out. Mad dope. I have a lot of dope content on there for y'all, so check it out. The difference with this top 9 list is I'm not gonna give too many facts on the inventors. I'm just gonna drop the inventor's name, their invention, and a picture of it over here, you feel me? Just a quick My Top 9 list to drop this history on y'all real quick. Why? Because it's Black History Month, you feel me? So coming in number 9. Number 9 goes to Dr. Charles Richard Drew. And his invention is the blood bank. So basically he invented a way to process and preserve blood plasma, allowing it to be stored and shipped for blood transfusions. Once again, Dr. Charles Richard Drew invented the blood bank. Coming in number 8. Number 8 goes to Maria Van Brittan Brown. So she was the inventor of the first home security system. Pictures over here. And she is also credited with the invention of the first closed circuit television. Once again, Maria Van Brittan Brown invented home security system. Coming in number 7. Number 7 goes to Lonnie G. Johnson. And he is the inventor of the Super Soaker water gun. Picture over here. It's the world's best-selling toy since its release in 1982. He also holds 120 patents. So once again, Lonnie G. Johnson, the inventor of the Super Soaker water gun. Dope. Coming to number 6. Number 6 goes to George Crumb, and he is the inventor of the potato chip. Yes, the potato chip. Once again, George Crumb, and he is the inventor of the potato chip. Coming in number 5. Number 5 goes to Sarah E. Good, and she is the inventor of the pull-out bed and convertible bed and the folding cabinet bed. And she was the first black woman to be granted a patent back in 1985. So once again, Sarah E. Good, she invented the pull-out bed, the convertible bed, and the folding cabinet bed. Coming in number 4. Number 4 goes to Philip E. Downing, inventor of the mailbox. Yes, the mailbox. Once again, Philip E. Downing, the inventor of the mailbox. Coming in number 3. Number 3 goes to Alexander Miles, who was the inventor of the elevator. Yes, the elevator. Once again, that's Alexander Miles, who invented the elevator. Coming in number 2. Number 2 goes to Gerald Jerry Lawson. He is the inventor of the Fairchild Channel F video game, as well as leading the team that pioneered the commercial video game cartridge. And so he has been dubbed the father of modern gaming. Once again, that's Gerald Jerry Lawson, the inventor of video game, basically. Father of modern gaming, you feel me? So, yeah. And last but not least, coming in number 1. Number 1 goes to Garrett A. Morgan, and he is the inventor of the gas mask. His invention was called the Morgan Safety Hood, which is now called the gas mask. So he was the inventor of the gas mask. He also invented the 3-light traffic signal, which is still used today. So once again, that's Garrett A. Morgan. He invented the gas mask as well as the 3-light traffic signal. Alright, nines, I just wanted to drop some knowledge on y'all real quick with this video. Wanted to make it brief on purpose. I just wanted to drop the name of the amazing black inventor as well as their invention. Just shedding some knowledge, some black history, celebrating this black history. We're gonna keep celebrating black history all month on this channel. Blackity black black black. Once again, everyone on this list was amazing. All of their inventions were amazing. Once again, I'm gonna be coming back with my top 9 black inventors part 2. Stay tuned for that. Be looking out for that video. Just dropping some quick knowledge on y'all nines. Have to keep celebrating this black history. Alright, nines, that's gonna wrap up this video. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and join the squad. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know exactly when my videos drop. Got videos coming at you every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. Vibe with the truth. Alright, nines, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. You vibing with the truth? Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Till next time. Peace.